Great thing with this system, go to your U-tunes, see at the bottom there a red triangle and 3 red circles. There you go, Mini, an iPhone. If for any reason it's not connected, just touch the Mini. I'll turn this down, go back to that. So that's playing, and then we need to go to, we'll click home, turn the rotary control till we get to CD and multimedia, click on that, and then you see there, it's on Barry's iPhone at the moment, but for argument's sake it's not. Say it's on auxiliary, so we'll just go back again. So onto CD and multimedia, external devices, it's showing auxiliary front. We want my phone, so Barry's iPhone 10, click on that, and then if I turn this up and turn this up, there you go, that's your music playing through the system. That's how you do it.